The death is announced of Kennedy Linus Lovens, better known as Drugs, formerly of Waterworks Road but resided at Inglewood, Grand Riviere, Grosley, who passed away as a result of a vehicular accident on Sunday, 1st December 2013. He was 38 years old. He was predeceased by his father, Cletus George, formerly of Soufriere. Left to mourn are his mother, Mary Maureen Lovens, stepfather, Guy Vidal of Cedars Road, sisters, Aurelia Lovens of Hospital Road, Kirana Maximin of Hill 20, Babono, Kadiana Lovens, Alma Nicholas, and Kiefer Montoute of Soufriere. Brothers, Kent Lovens, also known as Pablo of Black Bay View Fort, Rohan Lovens, also known as Fly, of Hospital Road, Ryan Lovens, proprietor of Lawrence Electrical, Richard Lovens of Cedars Road, Thomas Prosper. Adopted sons, Tran and Tevin Alexander of Waterworks Road. Adopted mother, Mrs. Josephine Stanislas, also known as Madoy. Adopted sisters, Bertha, Omina and Flavia Stanislas, Valencia and Magdalene Maglaw, and their families, all of Waterworks Road. Adopted brothers, Felix, Robinson, B-Boy, Linus and Prince Stanislas, and their families of Waterworks Road. Nieces and nephews, Kiana Vunai, student of Leon Hess Secondary School, Taya Joseph, student of Ira Simmons Secondary School, Sephra Maximin, student of Castries Comprehensive Secondary School, Taz Joseph and Rakim Hippolyte, student of RC Boys Primary, Simeon Maximin of Anglican Infant School, Kendra Lovens, student of Beaufort Secondary, Campus A, Shaz Lovens, student of Blanchard Combined School, Shazia Lovens, student of Bexar Primary. Aunts, Mrs. Romula Francis of Aunt Chasney Hotel, Mrs. Rufina Nicholas, Health Aide at Fort Jacques Health Center, Mrs. Letitia Prosper of St. Philip, Usella Joseph and family of Bellevue View Fort, Tamara Phillip in the U.S. Uncles, Francis Lovens, bus driver M919 on the Soufriere route, Aloysius Lovens, taxi driver, Peter Lovens, residing in New York, Martinus Lovens, residing in Ravine-Claire, Soufriere, Romiel of Mondador. Mr. Austin Phillip, teacher at Castries Comprehensive Secondary School, Darwin and Imran Phillip in the U.S. Two goddaughters, Martina Lovens of Victoria Street, Soufriere, Andrew Alphonse of Carolee Castries, godparents, Mrs. Joan Maida of Texas, Marlon Favre of Soufriere and their families, granduncles, Ale Francis, Joan Scalix and their families of Ravine-Claire, Soufriere, Mark Lovens and family of Millet, Raymond Lovens of California. Grandaunts, Mrs. Kelmina Louis, Mrs. Martha Calix and family of Forbenier, Soufriere, Christine Nicholas of Wingsville, Soufriere, Mrs. Nichols Davino, Mrs. Rosalind Fauché and Mary Lovens and their families of England, Mrs. Odette Francis of Trinidad, brother-in-law, Simon Maximin of Hill 20, Babono, best friends, Dale St. Mark, bus driver on Mount Fortune route, Andre Alphonse of Carolee, Kervin Samuel, Matthew Samuel, Kurt Samuel, Kim Samuel, Vincent Samuel, all of their four, Glenda Sylvester, Mandel Joseph. Also left to mourn, Mr. Gerald Alibo, the Rogers, James, Afanaz, Calix and Maximin families of Soufriere, the Lovens family of Bellevue, Vieux-Fort and Labrie Highway, the Flood family of Bellevue and Grand Riviere Grosley, especially Dubois, the bus drivers on the Mont Fortune route, Miss Marie Age of St. Lucia Tourist Board. Many cousins, relatives, and friends both here and abroad, too numerous to mention. Special thanks to the St. Lucia Fire Service for their immediate rescue and response, Officer 719 Jabatis of the Traffic Department, and also to Miss Pauline, who was one of the first respondents on the scene and worked tirelessly and desperately to rescue our loved one. Special note: the family would like to inform our wishers to wear red and black, as red was the deceased's favorite color. Transportation will be provided from the service to the cemetery and back. The funeral service of the late Kennedy Linus Lovence, better known as Drugs, will be held at the First Baptist Church, Darling Road, Castries, on Friday, December 13, 2013 at 2 p.m. The body will be laid to rest at the Groseley Cemetery. The body now lies at the Lazarus Funeral Home, New Dock Road, Vieux Fort.